Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing NxModels.com. So as you can see right here, they sell toy guns. And as you can see right here, they have a lot of different models. However, if you're buying this with the intention of hoping it will not shoot bullets. These are not real guns. These are just small models. And as you can see right here, they have bullets. However, it clearly states right here, these are just attachments and accessories. So please do not buy this with the intention of shooting. It does, because it's clearly not a non-firing model. So as you can see, they're really well made. However, they do not shoot, and they're just there for the aesthetic. And if we go over here to Trustpilot, they're rated 3.9 out of 5 stars, which is actually great. However, some people complain that months of emailing, no money back, no gun. So some people reported have bad experiences with the gun never arriving. So maybe it's just depending on the location. But if you really wanna buy or try this gun, so it's up to you. So use this or order from them with caution or at your own risk. But they're not completely a scam. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.